The IOGPs Group surveyed 9 owner-operators to investigate the current use of 3D models and their contained data. The conclusions were clear. 3D models are created on all major capital projects to aid design, procurement, and construction, thus improving project delivery. However, opportunities to derive value from 3D models in subsequent projects and operations are often overlooked. Key barriers include the lack of standards and processes. Standardization of 3D models addresses integration issues, such as vendor-packaged equipment. It also handles other use cases, including advanced work packaging and corrosion management. FL3DMS is an industry standard specification designed to standardize how 3D models are configured, their content, and the handover process. This ensures you get the maximum return on your investment in a 3D model. Industry standardization of 3D model development and associated data can reduce the cost of design and construction activities. Keeping facility 3D models as built over the asset lifecycle can significantly reduce repairs, maintenance, and brownfield engineering costs. Operating expenses and brownfield projects represent 2/3 of the total cost of ownership over the asset lifecycle. 3D models can help reduce these costs significantly. The unrealized value of the facility 3D model is estimated to be between 0.8% and 2.3% of the asset lifecycle cost, including both CapEx and OpEx. Standardization is a key enabler of unlocking these value pockets. Developed collaboratively by owner-operator companies, EPC contractors, software providers, service providers, and equipment suppliers, FL3DMS is built on a foundation of best practices and current industry data standards like CFOS. The name says it all: Facility Lifecycle 3D Model Standard. This means that while it's project-related, the requirements are specified with lifecycle use in mind, from concept through to decommissioning. FL3DMS ensures that your 3D models are not only efficiently and effectively used throughout the lifecycle of the facility, but also serve multiple purposes, from design visualization and validation, to being the basis for construction and operational use in a trusted digital twin. While FL3DMS provides comprehensive requirements for creating and handing over 3D models, it deliberately excludes procedural steps for model development by contractors, specific application tools, and integration methods with other software applications and data repositories. To accelerate adoption and gather valuable feedback, FL3DMS and its associated guides are available for public download. With FL3DMS, models issued to contractors for subsequent work can be seamlessly received and integrated into a single 3D model. This standard is designed to be practical and application neutral, guiding the creation and maintenance of 3D models in capital projects and assets. Join us now to be a part of the FL3DMS community and help to develop and embrace an industry 3D model standard.